Hi, One Hour Smart Home here, and today we're going to show you how to reset your Sonos Playbar. So what you're going to need to do to reset this is unplug the Sonos Playbar. Then you're going to hold down on the plus button and the pause play button while you plug it back in, and you have to keep holding these till the lights change color and change all the way to green. So we're going to do that now. We're going to unplug the device. Now I'm going to put my fingers on the plus and the pause play button and press those down while I plug it back in. So I'm plugging it back in right now, and you can see that light there. It's currently white and it's going to go through cycles. And once it gets back to green, we're going to be fully reset to factory default settings, and I can let my fingers off. Now it's currently blinking orange. Okay, there it goes. It's in green. So now I can let my fingers off this, and the Sonos Playbar has been reset to factory default settings. And if I want to connect this now, all I need to do is open up my Sonos app and go through the normal setup process for a Sonos Playbar. So thank you for watching this video on how to reset your Sonos Playbar. Please give us that thumbs up, subscribe, or click any of the links below if you want to support us.